to do another MCM video. As you guys can see, I purchased this particular item right here off of MERCARI. So let me show you guys what I got. Ta-da! So here it is. This is the mini backpack in the color cognac. Like I said, I purchased this bag off of MERCARI, and I never really wanted the mini backpack or whatever, but I had recently started looking at videos and stuff or whatever, and I was like, that's pretty cute. It's a cute little backpack, and I do have quite a few mini backpacks, and I really do love them because they're very handy and stuff. So I came across this one, and I thought it was a pretty decent deal or whatever. So here it is. So here is the front, and I'm just going to do a real fast review of the bag, and then I'll come back later and do a what's in my bag once I start carrying it. So anyway, here's the front of the bag. Here's the side. Has the cute little studs, and then here is the back. It has the belt loop on the back. Here's the other side, and then the front again, and then here is the bottom. And I do have the two straps right here, so those were included. And she sent me a little card or whatever, and she also sent because she purchased hers off of the MCM website, so she sent me the envelope, she sent me her receipt, and then here's the little authenticity card and stuff or whatever. But this is the MCM X Mini Stark Side Stud Bebe backpack, and this bag retails for $750. And like I said, I purchased this off of MERCARI. She had it up there for $518, and I sent her a counter offer. Not a counter offer, I sent her an offer or whatever, I think a 4 something, and she countered back at $500. So I just went ahead and purchased the bag because it's in excellent condition. The only thing I saw wrong with the bag was it just had a couple of scratches on like 2 or 3 of the little studs, which isn't a big deal for me. And then on the back, like right here, there was a little color transfer, and it looked like it probably was for some blue jeans or something, but that's not a big deal to me because it's on the back of the bag or whatever, so I wasn't really tripping about that. And so I thought for $500, I thought for $500 that wasn't bad compared to, you know, the original price of the bag is $750, because I had went onto the website and I had put the bag on my cart and everything, and with tax and all that stuff, the bag was going to be like $811, and I was like, ain't gonna be able to do that. So I end up purchasing it from her, and like I said, she had all the receipts and all that stuff or whatever, because you know there are a lot of fakes out there or whatever. So I just got it from her, and I thought it was a really great deal. And like I said, it's in excellent condition. And here's the inside. It has like a little, I don't know if this is leather or what in the inside, but it's like really, really super duper soft. Really soft, y'all. So here's the inside, and it has 2 card slots. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but it's 2 credit card slots right here in the back, so you can put your little cards in there. And it's actually a pretty spacious bag, because like I said, all the videos I looked at, these people were having this little backpack packed. So it does hold a lot. And also this front pocket, you can put quite a bit, you know, right here too. So like I said, I'm gonna come back and do a video showing what all that I will carry in here and what fits in the bag. And we also have these 2 side pockets, so you can stick something in there like some hand sanitizer or something like that in there. And you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it as a backpack. And then you also can wear it as a belt bag, because they have this loop right here. And I saw a couple of people did videos where theirs didn't have this right here. And I think they said if you buy it from, I think Bloomingdale's, it doesn't come with the back this belt loop thing or whatever, so which wouldn't bother me because I wouldn't wear it as a belt bag anyway, because I kind of feel like it's too big for me to wear it like that or whatever. But I would more than likely wear it as either a crossbody or a shoulder bag, and more than likely I'm gonna wear it as a shoulder bag because like I said, I'm not really a crossbody person or whatever. But anyway, I just want to show you guys the little backpack that I purchased, and I do have a couple of more MCM pieces that I have purchased, and I don't think there's really any more MCM items that I want as of now. I see they just recently came out with a new collection, so I don't know, I may find something else, and then again, who knows. But I just want to show you guys my little great deal that I found with my little mini backpack, the backpack that I didn't think I was gonna want, but I ended up getting. But anyway, like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.